Hello, first grade. Let's go ahead and go over our vocabulary words for this week. Our first vocabulary word is add. Add. Add is when we are adding two numbers together or we are adding something more. So if I have 2 cookies and someone gave me 2 more, we are adding. In this problem, or in this picture, I can tell that we're adding because of our addition symbol. This is our addition symbol, which lets me know that we are going to add these two together. We are going to add these 2 numbers together. Our next word is sum. Sum is the total or the answer to our addition problem. This is an addition problem because it has the plus sign, the addition symbol, and the total is the sum. So the answer to an addition problem is called the sum. So if I say 2 basketballs plus 3 soccer balls, what is the sum? The sum would be 5 balls because the sum is the answer to an addition problem. Next word is subtract. Subtract is when we are separating something. So in this picture we see that we have 3 dogs and we are separating 1. We are separating. I can tell that this is a subtraction problem because of our minus sign. Our minus sign lets us know that we will subtract. Subtract. Our next vocabulary word is difference. Just like sum, our difference is the total of a subtraction problem. So right here we have 3 giraffes and we're separating 1. It equals 2 giraffes. So 2 giraffes is the difference. We know that this is a subtraction problem because of our minus sign. And we know that the total of a subtraction problem, the answer to a subtraction problem, is called the difference. Our next vocabulary word is total. Total is how many we have all together. So our total number of ducks we have here is 4. Solve. Solve is what we do with addition or subtraction word problems, or when we're reading different word problems, we want to try to solve for the answer. Right here we have 2 blue balloons and 4 purple balloons. So we want to know how many are all together. So we are going to solve in order to get our answer. And we will solve by adding. The next vocabulary word we have is equal sign. Equal sign means is the same as. So 6 equals 6. They are the same number, but they also have the same value. So 6 is equal to 6. The equal sign means that it is the same as. So if we have 6 equals 3 plus 3, that means that 6 is equal to 3 plus 3 because 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 6 equals 6. Strip diagram. This is our last vocabulary word, strip diagram. Our strip diagram, we have our whole, part plus part. So whenever we are missing our whole number, we add both parts and we get our whole number. So we just add the parts to get our missing whole number. Strip diagram. Okay. Make sure to review these vocabulary words daily. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.